Gun charges in Texas are quite serious. So they can start with a misdemeanor, Class A misdemeanor of unlawful carrying of a weapon. Just say you have a gun on your person when you're intoxicated. It can be felonies when you're carrying a gun in a prohibited place, or possessing a prohibited weapon, or felon in possession of a weapon, or carrying a gun into a secured area of the airport, which can that's a felony under Texas law, but it can also be a felony under federal law, as well as a TSA offense. So gun charges in Texas are quite serious, even though there's constitutional carry. Some of the go-to strategies for defending a gun charge in Texas may depend on the circumstances of the case. Again, maybe challenging the legality of the detention or the stop or the arrest. Also challenging whether or not the person, if it's just unlawful carrying of a weapon, whether or not they were actually committing a different offense, which would then makes it unlawful to carry a weapon, such as whether or not they were really intoxicated, whether or not they were driving while intoxicated, whether or not they're actually a convicted felon, or whether or not it's within the period of time which makes it unlawful for them to possess it outside of their home, whether or not the weapon was actually a prohibited weapon, whether or not they actually carried it into a secured area. So there can be many defenses similar to the legal issues and constitutional issues in other cases, or factual issues that are specific to gun cases. If you're facing unlawful possession of a firearm or other gun offenses, contact the Medlin Law Firm for expert defense right away.